That 10-digit jumble that looks like it was randomly generated by a malfunctioning calculator? Yeah, not exactly confidence-inspiring for your business. But here's the thing. Ditching that number and snagging a snazzy, professional one can feel like a financial black hole. Virtual phone system services like Grasshopper promise the world a vanity number, call forwarding, voicemail transcriptions, the whole shebang. But what's the real cost? Is it a budget-friendly way to level up your business image? Or are there hidden fees lurking around every corner? Buckle up, because in this video we're diving deep into Grasshopper pricing, dissecting the plans, the features, and the not-so-fine print so you can decide if it's the right fit for your wallet and your workflow. First things first, Grasshopper doesn't have a one-size-fits-all price tag. They offer a range of plans, each catering to businesses of different sizes and needs. We're talking solopreneurs with a shoestring budget all the way up to small teams with a few extra bucks to spend. Let's start with the entry-level option, the aptly named Solo Plan. This bad boy comes in at a cool $14 a month, which, let's be honest, sounds pretty darn affordable. For that price, you get a single phone number, local or toll-free, your choice, the ability to make and receive calls, voicemail with transcription, a huge perk, and basic call forwarding. Think of it as the get your foot in the virtual phone system door option. Perfect for freelancers or those just starting out. But here's the thing. As your business grows, so might your needs. You might want to add a teammate or two, snag an extra phone number for a specific campaign, or unlock some of the more advanced features like call greetings or extensions. That's where the Solo Plus plan struts in, priced at $28 a month, billed annually. This jumps you to unlimited users, 3 extensions, virtual faxing, and a bunch of fancy call routing options. Ideal for small but mighty teams who want to collaborate seamlessly. Now, for those with bigger dreams and budgets, Grasshopper offers the partner and small business plans. These guys bump the price tag up to $44 and $80 a month, respectively, but they also unlock features like additional phone numbers, voicemail greetings per extension, and even integrations with popular CRM software. So, the bottom line on cost? It depends. Grasshopper can be incredibly affordable for solopreneurs and startups, but the price can climb quickly as you add features and users. But wait, there's more. Remember that enticing $14 solo plan? There's a catch. That price is only available if you commit to a year upfront. Opting for month-to-month billing bumps the price up by a few bucks. Same goes for all the other plans. Here's another thing to consider. Grasshopper charges a one-time setup fee, which can range from around $10 to $20 depending on the phone number you choose. Not a deal breaker by any means, but something to keep in mind when you're budgeting. Now, let's talk about the value. For many businesses, a professional phone number and the ability to manage calls efficiently is a game changer. Grasshopper offers a user-friendly interface, reliable call quality, and a decent suite of features. But is it the only player in the game? Absolutely not. There are other virtual phone system services out there, some with even more competitive pricing or feature sets that might better suit your needs. So what's the verdict? Grasshopper can be a great option for budget-conscious businesses, especially those just starting out. However, it's crucial to carefully consider your needs and compare pricing with other providers before you take the plunge. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best, and sometimes investing in a slightly more expensive plan with the right features can pay off in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.